Welcome back to Learn with Aanshi's Letter of the Week series. Today we are diving into the world of hands-on fun letter B activities. Let's begin with the treasure box for alphabet B that is filled with everyday objects that start with B. Next is the easy two-piece puzzle for B for bird. It's excellent for fine motor skills. Next is the sensory play for the butterfly matching activity. We filled the bin with the dry beans and hid the colored butterflies. So the kid had to match the butterflies on the Velcro based sheet. This printable is part of our toddler busy book. The link is given in the description box below. And for the letter formation, we did this easy peasy chalkboard tracing activity using the finger. So I wrote it using the chalk and the kid has to trace it. Similarly, salt tray tracing activity was done to develop the sensory skills as well as letter recognition and letter formation. This is the Play-Doh mat activity. Using the Play-Doh, the kid has to trace the letter formation for capital B. We also tried threading the big size beads for developing the hand-eye coordination and focus. It can become a bit challenging for the toddlers. Next was the easy to set up using the colorful recycled bottle caps where the kid has to put the caps according to their color in the matching bowls. If you don't have these bowls, you can also use colored sheets. We use the body part puzzle, wooden body part puzzle to explain the different body parts as well as the layering of the clothes. Practical life skills are critical for child's development. So, cutting the banana, that is the peeled banana, using the plastic knife was so much fun. So, with this B for blocks tower activity, the kid has to stack the wooden blocks based on their number. It's a playful way to introduce and practice early maths. Do or Dot is a fun art activity for all the kids. So you can check the printable for these in the description box below. Next we use the wooden letter formation toy to build the shape of letter B. Also did some fun bangles activity using the bangle stand. The kid has to hang the bangles. If you don't have this stand, you can also use a TP roll. Baba Black Sheep is our favorite nursery rhyme. So we used it as a Velcro activity, Velcro worksheet for this. Books are so much fun and they are the integral part. So we read many books like Brown Bear, What Do You See, The Blue Balloon, Naisha at the Beach, Egg to Be, I Love You, Blue Kangaroo. Next is the DIY bird matching activity which we created using a bird chart as well as the cardboard cards. Matching cardboard cards were prepared for each bird. It helps to teach the name of the birds as well as visual discrimination. This is a fun printable activity in which the kids have to place the Velcro bandage on a baby's body and they learn the name of each part and engage in imaginative play in quick mess free setup. Pretend play is loved by all the kids. So and it was so much fun using the toy brushes, clips, pretend makeup, and kids can create their own saloon. And last but not the least, check out our printable alphabet bundle. Okay, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more alphabet adventures every week. Check the link in the description box below. Thank you.